How to fix video moderated error in Grok AI. The video moderated error you are seeing here in your Grok AI actually indicates that the AI content moderation system flagged your generated video or image as unsafe. They see it as something that is harmful and violating their policy, and they might actually be seeing it as well as something that contains plus 18 content. So that is why you are seeing that video moderated error on your Grok AI. So in order for you to fix it, this is what you need to do. So before we dive right into the video, like this video, subscribe, and hit notification bell like this. Let's dive right in. First step you need to take here is to go ahead and click on your phone settings like this. Go to your phone settings like this. Right here in your phone settings, you need to scroll gently and look for where you can see app management or apps. Depending on your device, right here mine is actually showing here as apps. So go ahead and click on that. Once you do that, click on the search button at the top right corner and search for your Grok AI. Once you do that, go ahead and click on the Grok AI like this. Right here, you need to go ahead and click on storage. Then go ahead and click on clear cache in order to clear the app cache, and also click on clear data like this in order to clear the app data. Once you click on clear data, the data of the app is actually going to reset. When you go back to the app, they are going to ask you to relog into the app. So you need to relog into the app when you go back to the app. Then the next step you need to take here is to go ahead and click on force stop. This is actually going to stop the app from working at the moment until you open the app again. So the next step you need to take now is to go to your Grok AI app. Go ahead and go to your Grok AI. So once you do this, they're going to ask you to log into your Grok AI with your Gmail or your email or using your X account. Any of this can actually work depending on what you are actually using for your Grok account. So the next thing you need to actually do, which you must actually do in order to fix this problem as well, is to modify your prompt. That prompt you were actually typing before that made them to give you that error message. You need to modify that prompt and change it a little bit. Make it to be friendly with their policy. That is actually going to help to fix this problem as well. Alright, you've come to the very end of this video. Now hit the like button, subscribe, and hit notification bell. Don't forget to share this video as well. It has always been Daniel. See you in the next one.